Good night. My name is Andre Felipe Dominguez Araujo. I live in La Loma Cesar. I study industrial electronic automatic. My hobbies are sharing moments with the younger and family. My daily routine are one, I one go to work every day. Two, hit home the from the work. Good mood family. Three, play with my younger afraid getting home the work. Four, dinner with family. Two, or six, go to the gym. Six, bed and sleep and with my family. My two activities white in the family are one, uh, one to do dinner as the family enter on the Aidan street or in country place. To good out the part with me the younger and play with the and my wife.